Welcome back there, YouTubers. It's another episode. We are on 7, I think. Got some new lenses in. I think this is the 185 degree lens. Let us know what you think about it. I think in this video we've kind of jumped around between this one and the standard 155. Can't remember. Anyways, it's Monday night. It's cold. Monday night? Yeah, Monday night, and it's cold. Don't think it got above freezing today. It was what, 17 at it was 17 degrees at 7 a.m. this morning, and I really don't think it got above freezing. It's supposed to hit 20 tonight. We had snow the other day, and we didn't do anything Thursday, Friday, or Saturday because I was sick. I'm still sick. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. I'm freezing. I still ain't feeling good. I'm gonna get this video edited so that way I can have it uploaded for y'all tomorrow night. So when you're watching it Tuesday night. Yeah. So short video. Like I said, I was sick. Didn't get much done. But we're almost done. Yeah. Got parts in for the Mazda for the next build. We got control arms for it. They came in today and Friday, so it won't be long before we get started on that. Yeah. So keep watching. Make sure you, before we go any further in this video, you can go down below, hit that subscribe button. We are less than 100 away. We are less than 90 away. I think we're right around 87. I'll tell you in a second. I wanted to hit 1,000 before the end of the year, so let's keep pushing. Yes, 87 away. So let's keep pushing. Let's get this channel at 1,000. And when we do, we'll do that giveaway. Air compressor just cut on, so let's get to the video.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just made me for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Little crazy for you now. Oh, yeah, crazy for you. I'm gonna hit the beach in the sunshine. Cheap sunglasses looking so right. Hitting the streets in my old man Chevrolet. Looking for a good time and then some. Kick it with my friends in the hot sand. I got a song blasting by the Zac Brown band, yeah. Got a case of cold beer. Ain't gonna last long here. I'll pick my friends up at the pier. They're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Getting the buzz around 3 o'clock, tanning in the bed of my big truck.